No.
Hey, TJ, get back a little.
You're too close to record it.
Yeah. So we're on a teeter-totter at this park, and it's insanely huge.
No!
Stop it, John. Be quiet.
I gotta run back some more so we can get this whole thing.
Are you recording?
Yeah!
Somebody say hi to Nikki.
Wave hi, guys! Wave hi. Yep. So just to give you an episode of how dangerous this is, so they're safely secured on without seatbelts and just sitting there.
I have a seatbelt on.
How safe are you guys?
Very.
Are you trying to bump people off?
And you can see that the wood right here is like caving in like a stuffed animal right there. It's really soft. Yeah. Yeah. Like it's totally fun and stuff until somebody falls off and gets hurt.
Is that going on?
Oh, it's going on YouTube. But I'll post it on Facebook. Yes. Hi, Kenzie. It's Ken. Oh, it's twisting. Dangerous.
Back a bit.
So,
Nikki.
hi, Kenzie and Keith. How do you guys like the teeter-totter?
It's scary, but awesome.
I like the lack of seatbelts.
No.
Jillian will not ride.
See, notice there are no seatbelts on this thing.
And Joe, have you fallen off yet?
Once earlier.
Oh.
You missed it too. It went like a ball.
I just fell straight back.
And then John, every time he tried to get on, he would just like leap over the edge.
And
Julian, there's a bug on your boob. No, it's wood. Oh.
Wood on your boob.
Starting.
So, Julian.
Unless you want to have to tap people.
Now they're going fast. So, Julian, responsible non-teeter-totter rider, why won't you ride the teeter-totter?
Stupid.
It looks insanely dangerous.
I mean, normal teeter-totters are stupid. This is a normal teeter-totter.
This is an old school.
Derek, why won't you ride on the teeter-totter? Because you don't like heights? I don't like tights either. Look at that beautiful scenic view of the river over there. I wonder if I can zoom in. Beautiful.
You're smart.
Are you guys ready to go? It's like 7 p.m.
Yeah, it's getting late. Okay, so Alyssa first. Your side.
Hey guys, push off a
Joe.
little bit.
No.
Where are we again? Brownsville? Oh, Joe, get off.
Have Joe get off. Yeah. The person on the end gets off and you go scoot back.
Okay. That makes way more sense.
Smart. Get on.
That's what I thought.
That's too much sense for teenagers.
Push down. Hey, Lacey, hop off. And then you'll fall down there.
You're going to get your leg crunched in there.
Fall.
No,
All right.
Okay.
I really would like people to get off,
Gets off. Go,
like,
get off.
not dangerously. There we go. Woo! Go, Kenzie! Oh, now we're going to...
Don't push it down. Okay.
Oh.
I need to hear.
And now we're pushing it so that everybody can get off safely. Escape! John's off.
No way, we should get Nicole off.
She's off.
She's going off now.
Nicole's getting off. This log is teetering.
Get off.
All right, everybody's off. We're safe now.
Oh.
And that was safety with the teeter-totter with Kenzie and Rachel. And Rachel. All right, bye. Wave to the camera, Kenzie.